Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the water filter light on your GE refrigerator. This is quick, easy, and works on most GE models. So why reset? After you change your water filter, your fridge won't automatically know it's new. Resetting the light makes sure your fridge can track when the filter needs to be replaced again, usually every 6 months. So step 1, locate the button. First, find the reset water filter button. On many GE refrigerators, it's right on the dispenser control panel. On others, it may be inside the fridge near the temperature controls. Sometimes it's labeled filter reset, and in some models, you use the ice water button instead. Step 2, reset the light. Next, press and hold the button for about 3 seconds. Watch the display. The filter light should turn off, switch from red to green, or reset to 100%. That's how you will know it worked. Step 3, if the light doesn't reset, try holding the ice and reset buttons together, or hold the water button for 3 to 5 seconds. It just depends on your GE model. And that's it. Your GE refrigerator water filter light is reset. Now you can enjoy clean, fresh water. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.